Welcome back to the rest of the story. We got Rocket, our trusty sidekick, at least for the day. We're in the process of getting ready for spring. Not quite. It's the end of January, and I think we're officially to the point where we had more winter weather during harvest than when we've actually had during winter. And because of the mild weather, I mean, we are currently dealing with mud now, again. The cows really aren't going through the feed as fast as they were back in late November, early December. For those of you that were around or have been subscribed long enough are probably aware of the fact that we started feeding hay for our cows 2 to 3 weeks earlier than we normally would. And to offset that, the nicer weather, the cows really slowed down on how much they're eating. It's just not getting as cold out. I don't think we hit 0 yet. So, at least up to this point. And hopefully you guys aren't getting blinded here a little bit. That's the winter sun getting to you. Probably that helps or not. But, anybody that's curious, posting schedule for basically here on out, at least until probably until right around we start getting ready to start fixing fence for the year. My scheduling is going to be cut down a little bit more. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna post. I'm not gonna be posting 5 days a week here, at least for the short term. I mean, I could, but the problem is, I think I'm speaking for everybody when I'll get as sick of it as you guys will be if I post for the next probably 8 weeks, just as an average general number, until things really start to pick up again. Because this time of year, typically it's freezing cold out, and I don't have to worry about getting stuck with the gator when I go and take the dogs for a run. But this time of year, it's the same thing. Copy, paste. I mean, it's feeding cows, it's doing chores. And I can show you the same video every day, and if I do 8 weeks of that, I'll probably hate myself. That's just why I haven't been posting, guys. That's why I'm gonna be cutting down how much I'm posting. We will be back up to capacity like I typically am when we're in more of the busier season, because that's really all I've been doing. Feeding cows, planning for this year's crops, and taxes. But yeah, it's just not that nothing's getting done around here. Dad and Ryan are working on his truck. I'm not really saying anything about his truck because I haven't been working on it. I mean, I did a little bit a while back, but that's really Dad and Ryan's project. I mean, the truck is pretty much Ryan's baby. I mean, we were talking to Andrew a while back. It's like, well, Ryan bought a truck. That's Ryan's responsibility. And Andrew is trying to talk me into maybe considering buying a sprayer. And the sprayer will be my problem. But I don't know. My big thing with getting a sprayer and doing our own spraying, granted I know that the cost saving is there, but the problem is for one, if we mess up, it's on us. And two, myself, I really don't like dealing with the chemicals. Yeah, I mean, you can be as safe as you want. I mean, just being around the stuff, I mean, it's just not something I really care to do. I mean, if we get to the point where, yeah, I mean, the cost savings of doing it, just, you gotta be extremely careful around this stuff. But I don't know, it's just one of those things that probably 10-15 years from now, because of the way our fields are set up, we aren't running big square flat fields. We are running contours with point rows and everything else. This isn't our worst farm as far as getting the job sprayed properly. If that's the best way. To getting the field sprayed properly, to find a custom applier that can do it right and not completely fudge up the job, it's kind of a challenge sometimes. Andrew does a great job spraying. I mean, he did an awesome job. It's just making sure that you can keep getting a good spray job. So stay tuned for future videos. If I haven't mentioned the giveaway yet, which I'm not really sure where this video stands, I am going to be doing a giveaway this month, and hopefully for the next couple months, because I did go and buy a bunch of stuff, and hopefully we can get that kicked off here before the end of the month. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Yes, the rest of the story is still here. I am still around, and I'll be getting back to you guys in a few days here, a couple days. We'll see. I'll talk to you later.